Well, coming on the heels of the Republican tax plan, Democratic Senator Tammy Baldwin and Cory Booker have announced a tax reform plan of their own.
As Brandon Rook tells us, this plan markets itself as rewarding working families. Brandon?
Steve and Shannon, so many of us enjoy getting our earned income tax credits. It can sometimes help pay for a vacation, or some of us like to save and invest. But what about the families that need it to survive? These senators say their tax plan will reduce poverty.
There are literally tens of millions of Americans who work full-time jobs and cannot make ends meet.
And Senator Cory Booker says that's a horrible trend, so he, along with Senator Tammy Baldwin, are finding a stronger way with tax reform.
Tens of millions of working Americans have to rely on food stamps, have to rely on Medicaid.
That was the story for Kimberly Diamante. She says lots of sacrifices had to be made as a single working mother of 3 living in Kenosha.
Incredibly difficult.
That's why she's looking forward to the Stronger Way Act, a plan lawmakers say rewards working families.
If passed and fully implemented, it could actually reduce poverty in this country by almost half.
The plan has 3 straightforward policies. Senator Baldwin says it will expand transitional job programs on a much bigger scale, a program that's been in Wisconsin for decades. It'll also expand earned income tax credit for adults with and without children, along with child tax credits.
These strategies combined make such a difference.
These senators say it'll continue to help families make ends meet and live the American dream. The legislation hasn't been scored by the Congressional Budget Office yet to determine how much this will cost. Shannon?
All right, thank you, Brandon. The Republican Party of Wisconsin released a statement about Senator Baldwin's plan, saying in part, Senator Baldwin lost all credibility on the issue of tax reform when she co-sponsored Bernie Sanders' $32 trillion plan for a government takeover of health care and the tax increases that come with it.